In today's video, let me show you how to fix Spotify account hacked. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, if your Spotify account has been hacked, there can be a few cases to this. The first case is if you still have access to your account. If your account is still open or logged in within your application. So in this situation, what you can straight away do is try to change your password immediately and make sure that the other people cannot have access. But however, if you no longer have access to your account, or you have been logged out, or maybe even your email address has been changed, so what you can do in this situation is open up a web browser, search for Spotify account hack, and you need to enter the first link. Now, once you're inside of this web page, you can see the steps that you need to follow first of all. But if none of these solutions are working out for you, you can straight away tap on the second option, which is still have access to your account. As I said, if you still have access to your account, you can first of all try to reset your password, try to sign out of everywhere, and also try to remove any third-party applications that might be connected. But if you have no longer access to your account, what you can do is scroll back down and then tap on the can't access your account. In this situation, you can simply tap on get in touch and then simply send a message to Spotify. So what you can do is tap on the start messaging option and then make sure that you describe your issue as it says right here, so that the Spotify team can help to solve the issue. So this is the exact process that you can follow if your Spotify account is hacked. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.